Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very short video of the ferry boat. I went into the city a couple weeks ago. It was so beautiful and I decided to do some videos. There weren't a lot of people on the boat, so I took advantage and I was able to stand outside almost the entire trip. I did stand up outside the entire trip. There weren't a lot of people, so I was able to do my videos right off the ferry boat, guys. Yes, and you guys gonna enjoy this. I know you will, cause I did, and I showed my family and everybody enjoyed it, so I decided to share it with everybody else. So let's go. Okay guys, this is the view. We're just leaving from Staten Island on the ferry boat, and this is the view. Look at that view, guys. And yes, it was windy. So it was nice and cool. I wish if the sun was out a little more brighter. Oh my god, but you could see the sun in the background where it was bright. I have no idea where that bird is going, but hey, I just decided to follow it with my camera. That was cute. Enjoy this view, guys. That's Lady Liberty. We'll see her in a few. Okay, that's Lady Liberty right there. The ferry passed in front of her every day. Whenever the trip is made, they pass. This is what they will pass Lady Liberty. Look at the view of that bridge. You're about to hear the announcement that is made just before the ferry approaches, while the ferry is approaching the Manhattan side. Okay, we're about to approach the Manhattan side, and this is when the sun decides to come out. Mother Nature at her best, huh? But it's beautiful, isn't it, guys? Oh, look at Manhattan. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It was so nice, wasn't it? Yeah, I think it was. Ah, shucks. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And God bless. Have a best day.